reflects some aspect of AI. In this book, we'll also address fascinating issues concerning the ethical use of AI, and even the challenges of placing advanced AI entities, should they become dangerously superintelligent, into a leak-proof box in order to isolate them from the outside world. Of course, the boundaries and scope of AI morph through time, and some experts suggest inclusive definitions that admit a range of technologies that have helped human beings perform cognitive tasks. Thus, to give a richer understanding of AI history, I have also included several devices or machines that have provided answers to problems that typically require human thinking and human computation, including the abacus, the Antikythera mechanism, 125 BCE, ENIAC, 1946, and more. After all, without these early technologies, we would not have the advanced chess-playing and vehicle-driving systems that exist in our modern world. As you listen to this book, remember that even if we consider some of the historical ideas or predictions concerning artificial beings to be far-fetched, old ideas may become suddenly viable when implemented on faster, more advanced computer hardware. Our technical predictions, and even our myths, are at a minimum fascinating models of human understanding and creativity, and of how we reach across cultures and time to understand one another and learn about what we hold sacred or beneficial for society. However, even as we celebrate human imagination and ingenuity, it is vital to discuss unintended consequences, including the possible dangers of AI. As theoretical physicist Stephen Hawking told the BBC in a 2014 interview, the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. It would take off on its own and redesign itself at an ever-increasing rate. In other words, there's a chance that AI entities will become so smart and capable that they will be able to continually improve themselves, creating a kind of superintelligence that could pose a great risk to humanity. This form of runaway technology growth, sometimes referred to as the technological singularity, could result in unimaginable changes to civilization, society, and human life. So, while the potential benefits of AI are numerous, self-driving cars, efficient business processes, and even companionship in countless arenas, humanity will need to be particularly cautious when developing autonomous weapons systems and over-relying on AI technologies with sometimes inscrutable mechanisms. For example, studies show that the ease with which some AI neural net imaging systems can be tricked into misidentifying animals as rifles, or a picture of a plane as a dog, by altering images in ways that humans cannot perceive. If a terrorist can make a mall or a hospital look like a military target to a drone, the consequences could be dire. On the other hand, perhaps armed machines with appropriate sensors and rules of ethics could also reduce civilian casualties. Informed policymaking is needed to ensure that the potential dangers of AI entities do not overshadow their amazing benefits. As we increasingly put our trust in AIs with many complex deep learning neural networks, one interesting area of research is developing AI systems that can explain to humans how they arrived at certain decisions. However, forcing AIs to explain themselves could potentially cripple them, at least in certain applications. Many of these machines can create far more intricate models of reality than humans could possibly understand. AI expert David Gunning has even suggested that the highest performing system will be the least explainable. Book organization and purpose. I have had a long-time fascination with computers.